If you're part of the Amazon Associates program or Amazon affiliate program and you want to start promote Amazon products, then it's very easy. As you can see here, I'm in my Amazon Associates account, and in order to get a product that we can start to promote, you just want to go ahead and let's say go to amazon.com. So I'm going to go to amazon.com and let's say sign into my account and find a product that I want to promote. So let me go ahead and click on shop games, and let's see what kind of product they have here. Let's say I want to choose this tablet here or this laptop here. I click on this laptop, and here you will see that this is the laptop. And if you look here, guys, you can see that at the top it shows the link for that product. So I can simply choose the option here that says get link. I click on that, and it's going to get me the link for this specific. Now, keep in mind that if you have multiple tracking IDs or multiple stores, you can switch between the stores and you can switch between the tracking IDs. So you want to ensure that you select the correct tracking ID. So if this is about gadgets, I'm going to select gadgets, and then I'm going to go ahead and ensure that I get my link. And you can get a short link or a long link. It's really up to you. You will be able to get that. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and get your link or your affiliates link for any product on Amazon. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.